What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss XRP and pretty much what I see happening. It's kind of hard to tell when exactly it might happen um, due to this whole SEC filings issue that we have going on at the moment. It's pretty difficult to predict what's going to happen, but I can tell you only from a technical point on what we personally see on the chart. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna go start off with, I would say, the weekly chart. So as you guys can see here, we were in all this time right here. We were just doing accumulations. They were just accumulating orders left and right. It was basically in a range between 20 and 30 for quite some time. Here's where we had a breakout back in November. It reached all the way up to 78 cents. It did back down, grabbed whatever liquidity was back here, and now as you guys can see, we're starting to trend up. Mind you, the ultimate high on this was $3.30 at some point. So that is a potential future target that we are definitely keeping in mind as we trade XRP. Now we'll drop to the daily. All right, so as you guys can see here, we had this pump up, like I said, back in November. We came all the way back down and we took out any liquidity that was here. So pretty much anything that was just sitting here, they came out, stopped it out, reaccumulated positions, and now we're starting to trend up. If you go to the 4-hour, as you guys can see here, we are continuously making higher highs. Every time we make a push, we come down, grab whatever liquidity is sitting down below, and then we push higher. So from a technical point of view, as far as targets right now, this is what I see here. First target, of 75 cents. So I definitely believe this is a good targeting point. Now, I will say this. If we break past these right here, it just serves more confirmation that we're going to be pushing higher. So as we break this market structure here, we're going to hit up resistance, come back down here to some level, to about the 60s, form some type of support, and then skyrocket higher. To where I personally think, let's see. I honestly think we come up for $1. This is my personal opinion, and just the way that the chart is looking. I mean, these highs look pretty clean. First target for me will be 75.80 cents, taking out this liquidity here, making a drop back down to about 65.60 cents, and they skyrocketing back up to about 96 to $1. As far as technicals, I see everything that I like on this particular chart. It's definitely bullish. Now, the only thing that the only thing that's going to be halting this back to some degree is going to be the SEC filings. Doesn't matter how technicals look, depending on the filings and the outcome of that lawsuit. It's pretty much going to determine what's going to happen. So, if by any chance, if the lawsuit comes back negative and SRP is found guilty or whatever they're trying to sue them for, what's going to happen, I personally believe, is that the price is going to drop dramatically. But as far as I see it, that's only going to be a temporary thing. With time, and once the dust settles, it'll pretty much start to regain momentum and regain that validation that the marketplace needs, and then start pushing higher. I personally think that we're going to hit the $3 mark again. Again, the only problem is we're not really sure when that might be. But as far as technical points, I mean, this is extremely bullish right now. So yeah, that's personally what I think. I think we'll hit $1. We might even hit it within the next couple of weeks. But as far as anything above $1, we just really have to wait what the filing verdict is going to be. And unfortunately, it could be a month, it could be 2 months, it could even be a couple of days. Who knows? I mean, they could pretty much come out any time of day and say, hey, we've come to an agreement, now we've settled. If that is the case, we're going to see a huge pump to the upside. I'm personally a long holder for XRP, so I'm a true believer in the capability of the coin. Now, I do day trade it as well, but as far as long term, I am definitely holding this bad boy to at least $3, which I know for a fact we will hit sometime. I just can't tell you when. So that is my personal opinion on XRP. If you guys have any comments, please feel free to leave them down below. But like I said, as far as I can see, this is all trending upwards to a minimum of 75-80 cents to $1. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, feel free to join our free Discord group. It's going to be down in the links down below. We provide free trades. We do have a service in there, but we do provide a lot of value, free value. So please feel free to subscribe and become a member of the Discord group. Definitely subscribe to the channel as we look forward to putting out more content for you guys. With that being said, I'm really looking forward to see what's going to happen in the future with XRP. Can it hit 35,000? Personally, I don't think so. I personally think this is a $10 to $20 coin. Hope I'm wrong. And then, we'll see if it goes to the moon like everybody else says. But as far as technicals and as far as the coin itself, I personally think this is a $10 to $20 coin. Anything other than that, it'll be beyond nuts, to be honest with you. With that being said, have a good weekend, guys, and let's see what happens with XRP.